So my name is Justin Kyle Bush. I'm a graduate advisor here in the College of Engineering. So today we're going to talk about the Capstone Certificate in Power Conversion and Control, and then the Master of Science Electrical Engineering Power. So the graduate options here in electrical and computer engineering, which also it goes by ECE. We have a research master's MS, which is a traditional 2-year master's degree in a thesis or project based on original research. The next option we have is a professional master's MS, which is accelerated course-only master's degree program with the opportunity to choose a specific specialty track. The next option is a master's in signal processing and machine learning MS. That's an accelerated course-only master's degree program specifically in the area of signal processing and machine learning. The next one is the one we're going to be talking about today, the online master's in power engineering MS. It's an online off-campus program for professionals specifically in the area of power engineering. And then the last one is a PhD in electrical and computer engineering. That's a traditional research PhD program culminating into a doctorate dissertation in defense. Our online Masters in Power Engineering team consists of Steve Fredette, who's an associate teaching professor, and he's also the academic director. And then myself, Justin Kyle Bush, who is the graduate advisor. And then also on this call is Bulent. He is a professor in ECE, and he's also part of WMPEC. One thing about our program, we have been ranked in the top 10 for multiple years for online engineering degrees. And we like to really talk about this because you can earn a rigorous degree that is respected everywhere. A little about the power program. So it has a proven history. So it was developed in 1985 in a partnership with WMPEC. So students in this program learn the latest technology in power electronics, electric machines, actuators, sensors, drives, motion control, and drive applications. So the power program consists of 9 capstone credits, which also transfer into the MS. And then that is a total of 30 credits, and it takes roughly like 3.5 years to complete. So the capstone certificate is 3 to 4, and I have a little asterisk by the 4 because we have a prerequisite course, which is ECE 355, is the prereq to ECE 411, which is Intro to Electric Drive Systems. And then we have ECE 412, which is Power Electronic Circuits. And the last course is ME 446, Automatic Controls. So the 3 courses listed up there in red all transfer into the master's. The only one that does not is ECE 355, since that is a prereq to ECE 411. This is pretty much what a capstone course schedule will look like, where if you come in the summer, you can take 355 in the summer, and then in the fall, you can take 411, and the spring, you can take 412. Students usually take 1 course per semester. Like I said before, the capstone certificate is a pathway to our master's degree. So the 3 courses that you take in the capstone will transfer into the Power MS. So it's basically like you're doing the master's kind of along the way. And the total curriculum for the Power MS is 30 credits. So again, the 3 credits from the capstone curriculum, and then below is the MS curriculum courses available to reach your 30 credits. So admissions into the capstone, we require a BS degree in electrical engineering as preferred, or the equivalent such as a mechanical engineering with relevant ECE coursework from an ABET accredited program. We really look for a minimum GPA of 3.0 of the last 60 semester hours, or a master's degree with a cumulative GPA of a 3.0. Sometimes there's exceptions when we review them, you just will send your information over. The GRE is not required, but we encourage it. So if you have your scores, you can submit those when you submit your application. And then applicants whose native language is not English must provide some TOEFL scores. The application process is pretty simple. You submit your online application, then you complete an admissions interview that can be done virtually on Zoom, or it can be done through a phone call. The next step is to request your official transcripts. And then the step 4 is to have your application evaluated by the admissions committee. I recommend applying now. Applications are accepted for admissions to summer, fall, and spring terms, and decisions are based on your academic and professional background. So right now we're in the process of spring enrollment, and that deadline is November 1st. And then we go into summer, which will be April 1st, and then fall, which is June 1st. And if you have any questions about your eligibility, you can always send me an email at justinkyle.bush@wis.edu.